It's getting a little hot, isn't it? What's better than Mishti Doi during summers? My absolute favorite, a Bengali special. Let's make it. But before we do, subscribe. So first we start by making hung curd, and for that you simply have to strain your yogurt or curd you have at home. Strain it with the help of a muslin cloth and a sieve. For a better effect, keep something heavy on top and leave it aside for an hour at least. By the time the curd is on its way to become hung curd, we boil the milk. Now here I'm using some full cream milk, that is full fat milk. Let it come to a boil. We need to reduce at least quarter portion of it. What I mean is, if you have taken 4 cups of milk, then reduce it up to 3 cups. Once it's done, keep it aside and let it cool. Next we move to caramelizing some brown sugar. If you don't have that, you can simply use your white sugar. Once it's in the pan, don't stir or mix. Let it sit and it will caramelize by itself. Add a splash of water and then stir. Then pour in some hot milk and keep mixing well. When your caramel milk is ready, pour it into the milk which we reduced earlier. It should be cooled down by now. Gently mix well till all is combined. While we were busy processing the other parts of the recipe, our curd has successfully turned into hung curd. You can see the amount of water it has left behind. All that's left to do with the hung curd is to whip it. You can use a whisk or a smooth. The result should be fluffy, smooth hung curd. Add the smooth hung curd to the milk and mix it well till there are no lumps. Now the best utensil to set your Mishti Doi in is a clay pot. You can use any matka or even kullad. Foil it up well and leave it be in a warm dry place for at least 8 hours so that it sets to perfection. After 8 hours in a warm place, the curd, the doi, should have taken its form, and then it's time to keep it in the fridge for at least 2 hours more. After keeping it in the fridge, it must be all cool and nice. So open the foil and take one big scoop or a spoon and enjoy the sweet, delicious Mishti Doi. If you like this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more.